the captain of the Mumbai Indians, wanted back in that cabinet. They've held it before, they let it go in the second season, now they've earned it back. How does the captain feel? How does the captain feel leading the way with the bat first and foremost? Congratulations, Harman.
Thank you.
Relaxed, absolutely happy?
Yeah, definitely. I think it was a great team effort, and before that, I would like to congratulate Delhi team also, the way they played in this tournament. It wasn't easy for us, but yeah, I think end of the day when you win, you feel happy. I'm really happy. The way we played today, we fought till the last ball, even though we didn't start the way we wanted. But I think it's all about being there, doing the right things again and again, and that's what we were thinking and we were trying. And yeah, end of the day, I'm really happy.
Good, you bring up the point the way you started and then you walked in inside the power play. Not very many times have you walked in at that situation. As an experienced player, as a captain as well, how was your preparation and mindset at that point of time?
Well, to be honest, it wasn't easy when I went to bat, but I had that belief that if I stay there and keep rotating the strike, and when Nat is there, I don't need to take the too much pressure, because she's been in great touch and she was doing the job for the team. I just wanted to support her at that time, and I think that partnership with Nat was amazing. We tried to keep things simple and easy, and whoever was there tried to took calculative risk at that time. I think that really helped us to bring that partnership.
Did you feel the total on the board was enough, or you should have probably got slightly more? How did you assess the target at midway of the game?
I think 150 was not a decent total for DC, but matches like that always pressured games, and I think 150 score is empty, and I think credit goes to our bowlers. They had that belief that they can give us breakthroughs in the power play, and good to see that Ismail bring that important wickets for us, and the other side how Nat ball. I think that is something they created that opportunity for us, and I think they bought us the game, and really happy the way everybody in the team bowled today.
You have senior players, the ones that you've just mentioned. Apart from Nat, you've got Haley, Amelia, yourself in that lineup, Shabnim, and then you have youngsters who've just playing their first Tata WPL. How do you balance it as a captain?
Well, we made things very clear for everyone. We had very good one-to-one meetings where try to clear their roles for the team. We knew we have 4 experienced bowlers; they can do the job for them. But it's a T20, and 4 overs are always important. And we knew that whoever is in the game that day, we'll try to give them that opportunity to do the job for us. As today, Saika was there; she did a great job for us. She bowled those crucial 3 overs for us. I think everyone before that, Amanjot was there, and in between Sanskriti did a really good job for us. I think they knew their role. They knew whenever they're there, they have to deliver in the best way, and I'm really happy. Enjoy a lot with playing with them.
Last one, Harman. You won this trophy season 1, couldn't get into the final season 2, lost and come back again. Season 3, hands on that trophy very soon, which you will have. What does it mean to you as a player, as a captain, and as a franchise?
Well, it means a lot. First season we tried to do everything right, and this season also, when we met, we discussed how things didn't go well in the last season, and we tried to keep things very simple for us. We didn't want to try too many things, and try to keep things as simple as possible. And I think as a team we did that, and really happy that we got a great support from our sports staff and all the team members, and really happy the way we played this tournament.
You have a long evening to go still. I'm sure that trophy and that celebration will keep you a little more energized as well. Congratulations, Harman, on winning the trophy. Keep the flag flying high, and many more in your cabinet. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Didi. Thank you.